So I'm going to go through the exam papers now. So I believe you wanted to go through, this is June 18, paper 1, question number 3. I think this isn't, question's not too bad. I think we've just forgotten radians, if I'm being perfectly honest with you. So we have a sector of a circle there, arc AB. We know the area of the sector is 11 centimeters squared, and we know the perimeter is 4 times the length of arc AB. So let's first of all think about what we could work out the area and the perimeter of that to be. So A, the area of my sector, I know the area of my sector is just pi r squared, the area of my circle multiplied by the angle over the out of the full circle. So for I don't know why I put 2 pi r there. So for a circle, we know 360 is the equivalent of 2 pi in radians. So we end up with this. So what we can do there is the pi's there will cancel out. So that leaves us with theta r squared over 2 is equal to my area, which is 11 from a question. So then let's think about my arc length. I'm just going to call that L. So we take the circumference of our circle, which would be 2 pi r, and then multiply that by the fraction of circle that we'd have, which would be theta over 2 pi. Then the 2 pi's are going to cancel, so the arc length there is just r theta. And then the perimeter of the full circle is just the arc length plus lines OA and OB, which are both r, so that would just be 2r. And then we know from the question, we know that the arc length, 4 times the arc length is going to equal the perimeter of our circle. So we end up with this. So what we can do there is we can take an r theta away from both sides, can't we? So that'll leave me with 3r theta is equal to 2r. And then, the r's will cancel out as well, won't they? There we go. R's will cancel out, so we end up with 3 theta equals 2. So therefore, theta would be 2/3. So we know what the angle is now. And then we can plug that into our equation for area, which was pi r squared, it's not pi, theta r squared over 2 is 11. So let's just plug that in there now. So that's not a theta symbol, that's a scribble. Try again. Theta r squared over 2 is equal to 11, but I know that that is 2/3 now, so that will become 2r squared, and 3 times 2 will become 6 is 11. And then if we just times through there, we end up with 11 times 6 is 66, divided by the 2 is 33. So if r squared is 33, then r is just root 33, and it'll be centimeters. And it's no negative because radius is just a distance, a length. It's not going to have a negative value. So that's question 3. I think, yeah, we've probably just forgotten how radians work.